Hey everyone! So I got a package in and we're going to see what this is. So, this is the package. It's a big box and we are going to now open the package. And yes, I did cut the top of it before we opened it. And now, let's see what we got. See what it is. Look at this. It is. Okay, so I need to open it. So just a moment. Let me open it up and then we'll see what this is. Alright, so look at this. All I have to do is open the other end. So I'm going to do that and then we will take a look at exactly what this is. Look at this, LA girl. LA girl, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over so you can see the back. Look at this palette. Okay. Alright, so this is the palette. 18 color eyeshadow palette. Look at this. Holidays. Look at those colors. So the first thing I'll be doing, which is what I always do, is I do swatches first and then a look comes later. So sometime today or tomorrow I will be doing swatches. We are going to open the palette now and take a look. Hold on. Alright, so this plastic was on there, of course, and there's tape on the other side to keep it intact. I am now removing that, and we are looking at the palette. And this palette is just, look at that, look how pretty that is. Okay, so it's textured, but look at that, so pretty. And then on the other side, of course, is all the colors, which we are going to look at the colors. All right. And it tells you application. Sweep lighter shade across the entire eyelid from lash line to brow bone line. Apply darker shade along the crease to the outer corner of the lid. All right. And holidays. Okay. All right. So now we're going to take a look at the inside. So just a minute. All right. So this does have a mirror on the top, and very watchfully I'm going to show you the colors. And there are several mattes in here, as you can see. And then shimmers. And in my opinion, I think the colors are really, really pretty. Alright, so I'm doing this very watchfully. Alright, that is the extent of the colors for right now. And again, I will be doing swatches at a later time. Not right now, but I just wanted to show you what I got in. So, and then, you know, I'll do a look later. Alright, everyone. Okay, so just a minute. Alright, everyone. That is all for this video. Okay. I will see all of you at a later time. Have a great day. Lots more coming your way. Alright, everyone. I will see all of you in my next video. Have a good one, everyone.